have to find out the output voltage. Here zero feedback is negative feedback because feedback resistor is connected to the negative terminal. Here 0 volt connected to ground. This node A is at 0 volt. Node B also at 0 volt. This is also 0 volt. Then apply one nodal equation. 0 minus V in divided by resistance 1 plus 0 minus V naught divided by 14 plus entering current is 0. Entering current is 0 equal to 0. One nodal equation. ठीक है? Then substitute the value of V naught. So minus V in it is kilo ohm उधर चले जाएगा कैंसिल हो जाएगा प्लस V naught is V naught minus V naught minus 7 V naught is 7 divided by 14 equal to 0. So minus V in minus 7 by 14 is 0.5 equal to 0. V in equal to minus 0.5. V in equal to minus 0.5 volts. So this is the answer. Next question. Okay, 26 millivolt. Any other answer? Okay, you try. No issue. Minus 24 millivolt. (26 millivolt). Okay. Okay, this is a non-inverting amplifier. You should draw the diagram of it is a non-inverting amplifier. By that technique, I will explain. So, solution. Given circuit is non-inverting amplifier. For non-inverting amplifier, output equal to gain into input. Gain is 1 plus Rf by R1 and input is 2 millivolt. Substitute the value, get the answer. So 1 plus 120 divided by 120 kilo ohm divided by 10 kilo ohm bracket into V in is 2 millivolt. So किलो कैंसल 120 भागिले 10 12 12 अधिक 1 13 13 इंटू 2 26 मिलीवोल्ट. ठीक है, दिस इज द आंसर. और अल्टरनेट इज you can just use the nodal equation. Alternate is you can use the nodal equation. So with red color I will draw the alternate method. With red color, here is the alternate method. Feedback is negative feedback. Feedback is negative feedback. So here 2 millivolt. Here also 2 millivolt. VA equal to 2 millivolt. VB equal to 2 millivolt. So nodal at B. Nodal at B. So 2 millivolt minus 0 divided by 10 kilo ohm plus 2 millivolt minus V naught divided by 120 kilo ohm equal to 0. इक्वल टू 0. किलो उधर चले जाएगा 0 हो जाएगा. तो 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 10 ये मिली वोल्ट में है. ठीक है, प्लस 2 मिली वोल्ट माइनस V नॉट डिवाइडेड बाय 12 इक्वल टू 0. So you can just cross multiply 2 into 12, 24 millivolt plus 2 millivolt, 2 millivolt into 10. इट इज 120 ना, और एक जीरो भी कॉमन लिया था मैंने, जीरो को भी उधर भेजा, तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ वन बच गया, इट इज वन ओनली. I can take 10 kilo ohm common from the denominator, transfer it to that side, वो जीरो हो जाएगा, and just cross multiply plus 2 millivolt minus V naught equal to 0, so V naught equal to 26 millivolt. So by nodal also you can get this answer. Third question. So first amplifier is a non-inverting amplifier. First op amp is a non-inverting amplifier. Again second, here whatever is the output generated, VO1, that is the input to the second non-inverting amplifier, and we get the overall output. Pehla op amp is a non-inverting amplifier. Then the output generated by first op amp acting as an input to the second op amp, and again it is a non-inverting amplifier. So VO1 will be simply VO1 equal to, what is value of VO1? 1 plus RF by R1 into V in. One plus RF by R1 into V in. So 12 millivolt, okay. VO1 equal to 12 millivolt. One plus RF by R1 into V in. So VO1 equal to 12 millivolt. Then 12 millivolt is my input to the second non-inverting amplifier. Again 1 plus RF by R1 into 12 millivolt. 1 plus RF by R1 into 12 millivolt. Now here RF is 20K, R1 is 2K. So 20 by 2 means 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 into 12, 11 into 12, 0.132 volt. 132 millivolt म्हणजे 0.132 millivolt. Once again I will write it. Both are non-inverting amplifier. So VO1 equal to gain into beam. 1 plus, what are the values? 10 by 2. 10 kilo ohm by 2 kilo ohm. Into V in 1 is 2 millivolt. So this is 22. Sorry, 12. 12. 10 by 2 means 5. 5 means 5 plus 1, 6. 6 into 2, 12. So this is 12 millivolt. Then again for second op amp, VO2 equal to 1 plus RF by R1. You can say RF dash by R1 dash because resistances are different value into VO1. So 1 plus 20K by 2K into VO1. So substitute the values. VO1 12 millivolt. So answer is 132 millivolt. That means 0.132 volt. Next question. You have to tell the output equation, output V0. So hint, this resistance is also 1 kilo ohm. Hint, apply nodal here. Apply nodal here. Whatever voltage you will get, same voltage will appear over here. Again apply nodal at B. So first is, you can apply nodal at A or you can use voltage division. ठीक है, अगर आपको voltage division पता है, voltage division use करो या nodal apply करो. Then here you apply the nodal. Nodal at A, nodal at B, you will get the answer. What is value of VA? Anyone? Okay, -1. So here by voltage division rule, VA equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 1, 2, kilo cancel into 1, that means 0.5. Same resistance, 1 kilo ohm divided by total resistance 1 plus 1, 2 into total voltage 1 volt. So it is 0.5 volt. Then VB equal to 0.5 volt because of virtual short, because of virtual short. Then VB minus 2 nodal at B. VB minus 2 divided by resistance, I think 1 kilo ohm plus VB minus V naught divided by resistance 1 kilo ohm equal to 0. 1 kilo ohm उधर जाएगा 0 हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So substitute the value of VB. So 0.5 minus 2, that means minus 1.5 plus 0.5 minus V naught equal to 0. So minus 1 minus V naught equal to 0. So V naught equal to -1. Next question. Same nodal here or voltage division here at node A. Same voltage at node B. Feedback to the circuit is negative feedback. चलो VA जल्दी से बताओ VA. What is value of VA? .5. Okay. VA is 0.5. Yes. So VB is also 0.5 because of virtual short. Then nodal at B. Okay, so answer is 0 volt. Correct. Answer is 0 volt. Yes. So by voltage division rule, VA equal to 20 upon 20 plus 20, 40 into 1 volt. That means 0.5 volt. VB equal to 0.5 volt because of virtual short. Then nodal at B. Nodal at B. So VB minus 1, or you can say V in divided by 50 kilo ohm plus VB minus V naught divided by 50 kilo ohm इक्वल टू 0. 50 किलो ओम 50 किलो ओम उतर जाएगा, 0 हो जाएगा. तो VB की वैल्यू पुट कर दो 0.5 माइनस V इन की वैल्यू 1 प्लस 0.5 माइनस V नॉट इक्वल टू 0. तो V नॉट इक्वल टू 0. Please solve it on rough notebook. Afterwards you can make fair output voltage of the circuit. Options 2, 12, 6, minus 6. Okay, 6 volt. Six volt. Answer is 6 volt. So first nodal at A, or you can use voltage division. दोनों से same answer मिलेगा. So by voltage division, VA equal to same resistance, that is R divided by total resistance R plus R 2R into input 2 volt. So it is nothing but 1 volt. R cancelled, 2 by 2 is 1. So VB is also 1 volt. VB is also 1 volt. So nodal at B. Nodal at node B. So VB minus 0, sorry VB minus, हाँ voltage कितना है यहाँ पे voltage 0 volt. So VB minus 0 divided by 1 plus VB minus V naught divided by 5 equal to 0. RF resistance is 5. Voltage minus voltage upon resistance. Voltage minus voltage minus voltage upon resistance. Substitute the value of VB, or first cross multiply. So 5 VB plus VB minus V naught equal to 0. 5 उधर जाएगा, 0 बन जाएगा. So 6 VB equal to V naught. So V naught equal to 6 into 1, 6 volt. VB value is 1 volt. VB is 1 volt. Output voltage. Next question. Okay, this I will solve. Okay, here 1 volt. Here is also 1 volt. Okay. Then here by voltage division. By voltage division, voltage at node A. Voltage at node A. Or you can apply nodal at A. चलो voltage division बहुत solve किया मैंने. Nodal at A. Nodal at A. So VA minus 1, voltage minus voltage. ये करंट निकाल रहा मैं, ये वाला करंट, ठीक है. एरो दिख रहा है आपको, ये वाला करंट निकाल रहा मैं. सो VA minus 1, वोल्टेज कितना है यहाँ पे 1 वोल्ट. VA minus 1 डिवाइडेड बाय रेजिस्टेंस 1 किलो ओम प्लस दिस करंट VA minus 0 divided by resistance 1 kilo ohm equal to 0. No current inside op amp. I am not considering this branch because no current is flowing inside op amp. So simply it becomes 2 VA equal to 1. So VA equal to 0.5 volt. So VB is also 0.5 volt because of virtual short. Because of virtual short. VB is also 0.5 volt. तो यहाँ पे वोल्टेज पता चल गया आपको 0.5 वोल्ट. एंड नोडल एट बी, नोडल एट बी, तो ये करंट कितना आ जाएगा VB minus 1 डिवाइडेड बाय रेजिस्टेंस जो भी है प्लस VB माइनस V नॉट डिवाइडेड बाय जो भी रेजिस्टेंस है. तो रेजिस्टेंस है 1 किलो ओम 2 किलो 1 किलो ओम 2 किलो इक्वल टू 0. So just cross multiply by 2. So 2VB minus 2 plus VB minus V naught equal to 0. Denominator common आएगा, denominator उधर जाएगा, 0 into any number 0. Substitute the value of VB. So 2 into 0.5 plus minus 2. This is 3VB minus 2 minus V naught equal to 0. V naught उधर गया, equal to V naught हो गया. 3 into 0.5 minus 2 equal to V naught, so V naught equal to minus 0.5. Whether it is there in the option, answer is D, minus 0.5. Yes. Next, okay, this also I will solve. Output voltage of the circuit is, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे ये दिख रहा है आपको 2 volt, positive terminal of 2 volt is here, so here the voltage is 2 volt. Here it is ground, here also it is ground. Negative terminal means ground. 0 volt, no issue. यहाँ पे नोडल अप्लाई करके कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला. By applying nodal at node B, we will not get anything. So we must apply nodal at this node. Okay. So this current will be, so 2 minus 0, voltage is 0, ground divided by 10 plus 2 minus V naught, this current, okay, 2 minus V naught divided by resistance 20 equal to 0. किलो किलो उधर जाएगा, 0 हो जाएगा. Just solve this. What is the answer? So 2 by 10 means 0.5 और क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. You need to do the cross multiplication. So 20 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 2 into 20 40 प्लस 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 10 टाइम्स 2 माइनस V नॉट डिवाइडेड बाय कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर 10 into 20 इक्वल टू 0. तो 10 into 20 उस तरफ जाएगा, 0 बन जाएगा. तो 40 plus 20 minus V naught equal to 0. So V naught equal to 60 volt. 60 volt is not in the option. Okay, sorry. Here 10 into V naught. 10 into V naught. ये 10 इधर भी मल्टीप्लाई होगा V naught को, so minus 10 V naught. Minus 10 V naught equal to 0. So 10 V naught equal to 60. V naught equal to 6 volt. Output voltage equal to 6 volt. The only thing is you should do the practice. Okay. So I have applied nodal here at this node. So this is X. So nodal at X. So next question is voltage gain of the circuit. So we have to find out the voltage gain of this circuit. You can see that this is the feedback path. This is the feedback path and it is connected to the negative terminal. The feedback is connected to the negative terminal. So I can use the concept of virtual short. So here voltage is 0 volt because connected to ground. So here also voltage is 0 volt. So at node B, VB equal to 0. Node A, VA equal to 0. VB is also 0. We have to find out voltage gain. Voltage gain means V naught upon V in, output upon input. ठीक है, चलो. So nodal at B. So nodal at B. So this current VB minus V in divided by resistance R1. VB minus V in divided by resistance R1 plus this current. But what is the voltage here? So you can see that V naught is connected as it is directly. V naught is connected directly here. So here the voltage is V naught. Okay, so I will just not change the question. So here voltage is V naught. So red color से जो है वो solution है आपका. So here the voltage is V naught. So you should write the question properly. Once again, you should draw the circuit in the solution. So this current is VB minus V naught divided by R2 equal to 0. ये करंट भी पता चल गया. वोल्टेज माइनस वोल्टेज डिवाइडेड बाय रेजिस्टेंस, वोल्टेज माइनस वोल्टेज डिवाइडेड बाय रेजिस्टेंस इक्वल टू 0. Substitute the value of VB. VB is 0 volt minus V in by R1 minus V naught by R2 equal to 0. So minus V naught by R2 equal to V in by R1. ये टर्म को उधर भेजा मैंने. अभी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, R2 इधर आ जाएगा, V in इधर आ जाएगा. माइनस V naught by V in equal to R2 by R1. So V naught by V in equal to minus R2 by R1. So gain answer is, this is your gain, minus R2 by R1. Answer for this question is minus R2 by R1. I will repeat it once again with proper diagram. So this is the circuit R1. So आपको voltages देखते आना चाहिए सर्किट में अच्छे से. Nothing is there. यहाँ पे से फीडबैक नहीं है. ओके. So this is the question. यहाँ पे one more resistance R2. Here is R3. ठीक है, वोल्टेज देखते आना चाहिए. ये 0 वोल्ट, फीडबैक निगेटिव फीडबैक है. तो ये भी क्या होगा आपका 0 वोल्ट बिकॉज ऑफ वर्चुअल शॉर्ट. तो यहाँ पे एक नोडल का इक्वेशन लगेगा. Here we will apply one nodal equation. So this current is 0 minus V in divided by R1. 0 minus V in divided by R1 plus this current. What is the voltage here? V naught. Wire है V naught. Wire है V naught. Wire है V naught. यहाँ पे भी voltage V naught है. So this current is voltage minus voltage. 0 minus V naught divided by resistance R2 equal to 0. Just solve this. You will get the gain expression. Next, output of the circuit. Again, feedback is negative feedback. Voltage here 0 volt. Voltage here 0 volt. Voltage here 0 volt. So apply the nodal equation. You will get the answer. Try. At least for 1 minute you try. 3 करंट आएंगे. 1, 2, 3. चौथा करंट तो 0 ही रहेगा. इनसाइड ऑप एम्प नो करंट. Okay, -2. Remaining students, you also try. Okay, A -2, right? So this is, let us say, node X. So nodal at X. Nodal at X. So 0 minus 1 divided by resistance 1 plus 0 minus 0 divided by resistance 1. ये वाला 0 minus ये वाला करंट. 0 minus 0 divided by resistance 1 plus 0 minus V naught divided by resistance 2. This current 0 minus voltage, voltage minus voltage divided by resistance equal to 0. So this is -1, this is 0, minus V naught by 2 equal to 0. So minus V naught by 2 equal to V naught by 2 equal to -1. Therefore V naught equal to -2. Yes, the answer is -2. So be careful with the plus minus sign in the calculation. You have to tell the gain of this circuit. Feedback is negative feedback. Feedback is negative feedback. So here voltage is 0.8 volt. Here voltage is 0.8 volt. So VA equal to 0.8 volt, VB equal to 0.8 volt. VA equal to VB equal to 0.8 volt because of virtual short. Because of virtual short. चलो फिर नोडल अप्लाई कर देंगे. यहाँ पे आपका वोल्टेज है V नॉट. यहाँ पे आपका वोल्टेज है V नॉट. सो नोडल एट B. Nodal at B. So VB minus 0 divided by resistance. इस करंट I1 करंट VB माइनस वोल्टेज. यहाँ पे वोल्टेज कितना है 0 वोल्ट डिवाइडेड बाय रेजिस्टेंस 10 किलो ओम प्लस VB माइनस V नॉट डिवाइडेड बाय रेजिस्टेंस इज 20 किलो ओम इक्वल टू 0. यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस कितना है 20 किलो ओम का. ये करंट VB माइनस वोल्टेज V नॉट डिवाइडेड बाय रेजिस्टेंस 20 किलो ओम इक्वल टू 0. ठीक है. जस्ट सॉल्व दिस. व्हाट इज वैल्यू VB 0.8 वोल्ट है. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. तो 20 VB प्लस 10 VB माइनस 10 V नॉट इक्वल टू 0. तो 30 VB इक्वल टू V नॉट 10 V नॉट. So V naught equal to 3 VB, 3 VB, so 3 into 0.8, that means 2.4 volt. So we got V naught equal to 2.4 volt, V in is 0.8 volt, so gain equal to V naught by V in equal to 2.4 divided by 0.8, that means 3. Gain of the circuit is 3.